So this is a quick room tour of room 214 at Alteria Hotel in Pattaya, Thailand. So it's not really a big room. It's a single room with a kitchenette. So you got your refrigerator here and small table, 2 seats, freezer. Doesn't turn off when you pull out your key card. You have to put in your key card here to get the power going in the room. 2 air conditioners, one in the living room area, which doesn't have a TV or a sofa. It's literally, now I'm in the kitchenette area, microwave. It's pretty basic. So you got your 2 seats here, and you have a balcony. The room is no smoking, but you can pretty much you can smoke on the balcony though. That's a generally accepted thing here in Thailand. Most of the rooms are not non-smoking, but they'll let you smoke on the balcony if you have one. So here's the bed. You get 2 pillows. You get one that's really soft and one that's really hard. It's kind of uncomfortable. The bed feels good. No problem. Here's the second air conditioner. We had a problem with the air conditioner to where it was leaking, but they fixed it the next day. Just the temperature hasn't been right since. Here's the bathroom. You don't throw toilet paper in down the toilet. That's an Asia thing. Here you go. The overhead and up. Alright, you got your sink, get your mirror, get your overhead shower. Bathroom's not too big, not too small. Seen bigger rooms, but kind of missed out on that. Yep, and that's it. That's the room tour for Alteria room 1214, a single room kitchenette with no living room area. Yep. Ariel Pen signing off. Adios.